Now we're gonna make some potatoes. It's all about California on the grill today. These are new potatoes that I've actually parboiled. I just cooked them just till they're cooked through. We're gonna put a grill pan on top of the grill. So this way, when I put the potatoes on, they're not gonna fall through and they'll be easier to get them off the grill. First, I'm gonna cut my potatoes. I'm gonna cut them in half. And I'm going to make a whole grain mustard aioli, which is garlic and mayonnaise, a couple of different kinds of mustard. But first, a little canola oil, some salt and pepper. Right on my board here, and I'm just going to make sure that they're lightly coated. Put them in this bowl. Let's make our aioli. Some good quality mayonnaise. We're gonna put the mustard aioli around the potatoes and then put it on the grill, which is really the opposite way you would do things mostly. You might wanna grill the potatoes and serve the aioli on the side. You can do that, but this is actually kind of cool because it gives it a little bit of crustiness. Some Dijon mustard. You'll see mustard flowers all over California, especially in the north. And that's where the seeds come from. And I just love combining whole grain mustard and Dijon mustard. You get the spiciness from the Dijon mustard. You get that little pop and that texture from the whole grain mustard. It's really nice. A little bit of honey, some salt and pepper. We're just gonna mix this up. We're just gonna take a couple of cloves of garlic here. Without garlic, I would have no life. Making a little garlic paste here so that it really dissolves into the aioli. So now we're gonna take some of our aioli and put it over our potatoes. Okay, let's see what happens. I wanna make sure that I'm putting them cut side down so they get nice and crusty. So I'm gonna take some fresh tarragon, some chives, and some chopped parsley, 3 kinds of herbs, and we're gonna throw these right over our potatoes when they come off the grill. Here's the great thing about these pans. You just bring the whole thing right over to the plate, just drop them on. You can hear the sizzle off the grill. You see how the aioli just crusted onto the potatoes? A little olive oil, looks great. Some of our tarragon, parsley, and chives. So simple, it even makes a great appetizer. Lots of mustard, grilled potatoes, lots of flavor. That's very satisfying.